In today's digital world, where cyber threats are smarter and more dangerous than ever, artificial intelligence is stepping in to change the game. Imagine a world where AI can outsmart hackers before they even strike. Well, that's the reality we're heading into. From spotting hidden patterns to reacting faster than any human could, AI is revolutionizing how we protect our data and digital lives. In this video, we're diving into the powerful role of AI in cybersecurity, showing how it can stop cybercriminals in their tracks and stay one step ahead of their evolving tactics. If you're serious about securing your digital world, this is a must-watch. Let's uncover how AI is reshaping the future of cybersecurity. Organizations today face a myriad of digital threats that can compromise their security and data integrity. Common threats include malware, which refers to malicious software designed to disrupt, damage, or gain unauthorized access to systems. Phishing attacks trick users into revealing sensitive information by masquerading as trustworthy entities, while ransomware locks users out of their data until a ransom is paid. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, with cybercriminals developing more sophisticated tactics to exploit vulnerabilities. As these threats become increasingly complex, traditional security measures often fall short. This highlights the urgent need for advanced solutions, such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, to proactively identify and mitigate risks. By understanding these digital threats, organizations can better prepare themselves and implement robust strategies to safeguard their assets against the ever-present dangers of the online world. Artificial intelligence is transforming threat detection capabilities in cybersecurity, primarily through the use of machine learning algorithms. These algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to identify anomalies that may indicate a potential threat, allowing organizations to respond swiftly. Real-time monitoring is another critical aspect, as AI continuously scans networks for unusual behavior, enabling proactive threat identification before damage occurs. Predictive analytics further enhance this process by forecasting potential threats based on historical data and emerging patterns. Tools like Darktrace exemplify the power of AI in threat detection, utilizing self-learning technology to detect and respond to cyber threats autonomously. By leveraging these advanced capabilities, organizations can significantly improve their security posture, ensuring they stay one step ahead of cybercriminals in an increasingly complex digital landscape. Embracing AI-powered solutions is essential for effective and efficient cybersecurity strategies. The implementation of AI in automated response systems is revolutionizing cybersecurity by enabling organizations to respond to detected threats swiftly and efficiently. AI can automate responses by executing predefined actions when a threat is identified, such as isolating affected systems or blocking malicious traffic. This automation significantly reduces response times, allowing organizations to mitigate potential damage before it escalates. Additionally, by minimizing human intervention, AI helps reduce the risk of human error, which can often lead to further vulnerabilities. Tools like IBM Watson for cybersecurity exemplify this trend, utilizing AI to analyze security incidents and recommend or execute appropriate responses. By integrating automated response systems powered by AI, organizations can enhance their overall security posture, ensuring they are better equipped to handle the dynamic and evolving landscape of cyber threats. Embracing these technologies is essential for maintaining robust cybersecurity defenses. AI is significantly improving user authentication processes, making them more secure and user-friendly. One of the most notable advancements is in biometric authentication methods, such as facial recognition, which AI enhances by increasing accuracy and speed. These systems can analyze unique facial features and adapt to changes over time, ensuring reliable access control. Additionally, adaptive authentication plays a crucial role in securing user access by assessing risk factors in real time. This means that if a user attempts to log in from an unfamiliar location or device, the system can require additional verification steps, adding an extra layer of security. AI-driven authentication solutions like TECH-OUTTA-HERE exemplify this approach, offering seamless integration of biometric and adaptive methods to protect sensitive information. By leveraging AI in user authentication, organizations can enhance security while providing a smoother experience for users. Predictive analytics is a powerful tool in cybersecurity, enabling organizations to anticipate and mitigate potential cyber threats before they occur. By analyzing historical data, predictive analytics identifies patterns and trends that can indicate future vulnerabilities or attack vectors. AI plays a crucial role in this process, as it can sift through vast amounts of data to uncover insights that human analysts might overlook. This proactive approach allows organizations to strengthen their defenses and allocate resources more effectively. Tools like Splunk exemplify the application of predictive analytics in cybersecurity, offering advanced capabilities for threat forecasting and incident response. By leveraging these insights, organizations can stay ahead of cybercriminals, enhancing their overall security posture. Embracing predictive analytics is essential for any organization looking to navigate the complex and ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. AI plays a pivotal role in enhancing incident response and recovery processes, streamlining workflows to ensure swift and effective action during a cyber incident. By automating routine tasks, AI allows security teams to focus on more complex issues, significantly reducing response times. Additionally, AI's ability to analyze data in real time helps identify the root causes of incidents, enabling organizations to respond more effectively. Post-incident analysis is another critical area where AI shines, as it can evaluate the effectiveness of the response and identify lessons learned, ultimately improving future preparedness. Incident response platforms like Palo Alto Networks leverage AI to provide advanced threat detection and automated remediation capabilities. By integrating AI into incident response strategies, organizations can enhance their resilience against cyber threats and ensure a more robust recovery process. Embracing these technologies is essential for maintaining a strong security posture in today's digital landscape. While AI offers significant advantages in cybersecurity, it also presents several challenges and limitations that organizations must address. One major concern is the potential for biases in AI algorithms, which can lead to inaccurate threat assessments and security blind spots. These biases may arise from the data used to train the algorithms, impacting the overall effectiveness of AI-driven solutions. Additionally, human oversight remains crucial in AI systems. Without skilled professionals to interpret AI findings and make informed decisions, organizations may overlook critical threats. Furthermore, the evolving tactics of cybercriminals pose a constant challenge to AI solutions, as attackers continuously adapt their methods to evade detection. As such, organizations must strike a balance between leveraging AI capabilities and maintaining human expertise to ensure a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy that can effectively combat emerging threats. As we look ahead, several emerging technologies are poised to enhance AI capabilities in cybersecurity. Innovations such as quantum computing could revolutionize encryption methods, making it more challenging for cybercriminals to breach systems. Additionally, advancements in natural language processing may improve AI's ability to analyze and understand complex threat narratives, leading to more effective threat detection. Continuous learning and adaptation will be crucial for AI systems, allowing them to evolve alongside the ever-changing tactics of cybercriminals. This adaptability ensures that AI remains a powerful ally in the fight against cyber threats. As the landscape of cybersecurity continues to shift, it's essential for organizations and individuals alike to stay informed about future developments in this field. By keeping abreast of these trends, viewers can better prepare for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead in the realm of AI and cybersecurity. AI is revolutionizing cybersecurity by enhancing threat detection, automating responses, and strengthening user authentication. Its ability to process massive amounts of data and adapt to new threats makes it a powerful tool against cybercrime. However, staying informed about AI's challenges, such as biases and the need for human oversight, is just as important. At TECH-OUTTA-HERE, we're dedicated to bringing you the latest insights on cybersecurity and AI. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Share this video with others who want to stay ahead in the digital world. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay safe online.